Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of my guilty pleasures is watching the Great British Bake Off. So for those of you who aren't familiar with it, it's a kind of knockout competition in which contestants have to bake different things every week. And every week there's a star baker and there's someone who gets knocked out because of a poor performance that week and has to go home. One of my favourite characters at the moment is a very down-to-earth northern bloke called Dan. And the other week there was a competition where they had to bake an apple tart, and they were told the apple slices had to be arranged on top of the tart in a concentric circle. Dan, on hearing these instructions, looked at the camera and said, "So what's a concentric circle when it's at home?" If you ask what's something when it's at home, you're basically intensifying the question and you're kind of showing your own ignorance. You're showing that you know nothing about it. It's often done in a kind of deliberately self-conscious, self-deprecating, cutesy kind of way to make fun of your own ignorance about long words or foreign words or complicated ideas or things or people you've not heard about before. So maybe one of your students is telling you all about how they've recently feng shuied their house, and you listen to this and go, "Feng shui? What's that when it's at home then?" Which basically means, "I don't know what that thing is. Can you please explain it to me in simple English?" Sometimes when I'm cooking, I read recipes and they contain ingredients I've never heard of. So I'll often comment, "Arugula? What's that when it's at home? Za'atar? What's that when it's at home then? Where can one buy such things?" We also use it to talk about people. So maybe a friend of yours is raving about the music of Nick Drake, and you say, "Nick Drake, never heard of him. Who's he when he's at home then?" Or someone might be talking about an actor, and you might say, "I've never heard of her, I'm afraid. Who's she when she's at home then?" If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use what's when it's at home, who's when she's at home, who's when he's at home.